So, let's start our presentation by lighting up the lights. So,
Nice.
Nikola Tesla once said, "Be alone. That is the idea. That is the idea. That is the secret for invention. Be alone. That is the idea. That is when the ideas are born." So, we are the students of Doon Convent School. Here, I am Yogita Rawat.
Madhwani.
Yes. So here I am Yogita Rawat with my teammate Nitika Dani and Yogita Dhani are presenting this model. So basically this is a model of a smart home system.
Nowadays, it's very rare that we can find sun rays to dry our clothes, especially during rainy season. Then how it will be possible for us to make our clothes to expose to sun rays as soon as it is available? So we had made this project which totally works, which is totally automatic and it does not require any manual operation. So there is the rain detector on the roof of the house. When the rain drops will fall on it, then our clothes will automatically go inside so that they will not get wet in the rain. And when the rain goes off, then our clothes will automatically come out for dry.
With this we have made a home automation. Home automation refers to a setup where devices can be automatically controlled by using the mobile phone or any other network device. So there are some benefits of home automation. So one benefit is by using the home automation system, we can save a lot of time to operate home devices from anywhere. So basically this is the project we have made. There we have fixed a light. So when she will give signal, so the bulb will automatically gets on. And when she will give the command of off, so it will automatically gets off. So when we are outside, when we are not in our home, so we are not able to switch on or off the lights. So it's better for them. For
So
those
there is a voice command also. You want to try that?
You
The
have to
code
say
is
bulb on.
bulb on. Okay.
Bulb on. Oh, that's nice. Okay, cool.